You know, I think we're gonna need a doctor on this one. You know, we do all these soda reviews, and I should have a doctorate in soda, you know? I'm declaring myself the doctor of soda.
Ooh.
You know? We have a lot of people who call themselves doctors, and they're not really doctors. They get these, like, doctorates from universities. Well, someone has given a doctorate to Faygo. This is Dr. Faygo. Yes, Dr. Faygo. I guess this is going to be their Dr. Pepper answer. You know, Dr. Pepper's a cola, but they have like a few extra things in there. I've always heard one of the things they put in Dr. Pepper is prunes. They put like prune juice in there.
Ew.
But, well, you know, they have, what is it, 23 ingredients at Dr. Pepper? Well, Dr. Faygo, of course, you know, they're famous for, they're, I wouldn't say they're a generic brand, but they're kind of like a dollar store brand that got a very niche audience, especially from the Insane Clown Pops. He's always preached Faygo. They're started in Michigan. And you can find them some places. They're not widely available, but they're available. So let's see how this Dr. Faygo goes, you know. We'll see if Dr. Faygo has the cure. Rent. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, ah, Dr. Faygo. You know, I do notice it's very similar to Dr. Pepper. It tastes a lot like Dr. Pepper. I'm not a big Dr. Pepper guy, but you know, this isn't too bad. And like I said, I'm not a big Dr. Pepper guy. I'm gonna give this a 6.4.
Does it taste like prune juice? You taste the prunes?
Yeah, maybe you can taste a little bit of that. But yeah, I've actually heard that. I don't know if they've ever actually confirmed that with Dr. Pepper. But yeah, Dr. Pepper, I've heard, has prune juice in it.
Gross.